Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up here in beautiful Big Bear Lake. The market is shifting. Now, I did not say collapsing, but it's definitely making some moves. And today I'm going to discuss with you 12 helpful tips for if you are looking to sell your home in Big Bear or any area. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, stay informed. If you are selling, you need to know what's happening in your area and in the housing market. But when I sit down with sellers, we're going over key statistics like days on market and price reductions. In my area, about 10% of homes are seeing price cuts each week. That is a big deal, especially because during the pandemic, nothing needed a price reduction. If your home isn't moving, you need to know the numbers and adjust quickly. Tip number 2, be flexible. Gone are the days when you could just brush off a showing for your nail appointment. When a showing gets scheduled, you need to clear your calendar. Buyers are key. Also, being realistic about offers. 20 offers and $100,000 over the asking isn't reality anymore. It's going to take longer, so be patient, but don't sit back too long if you're not getting the traction that you need to get. Tip number 3, know your motivation. Are you more committed to your price or to moving? That's the real question. If you are stuck on getting the highest price possible, you might end up staying a homeowner, not a home seller. So get clear on what's important for you. Tip number 4, expect tough negotiations. Sellers are still in disbelief that the market has cooled. Buyers are going to push for things like faster loan approvals or ask for repairs. So be ready to give a little bit, especially with the changes to the buyer agent commissions. Tip number 5, price your home properly. I cannot stress this one enough. Price is everything in a shifting market. I've been having conversations with other top agents who say the best strategy is to list 5 to 7% below the last comp just to get ahead of the market before it corrects further. Waiting it out usually is not your best option. Tip number 6, don't show distress. If you're in a tough situation like going through a divorce or a job loss, keep your lips zipped. Buyers love to take advantage of desperation. Staging your home to look balanced and well-maintained will help avoid low-ball offers. Tip number 7, stay neutral in a competitive market. Bold personal design choices can hurt you. Buyers need to envision themselves in your home, so stick to neutral decor. Whites, beiges, and simplicity photograph best and appeals to the masses. Tip number 8, invest in high-quality marketing photos. 3D tours and brochures matter more now than ever. Your realtor should be going all out with professional marketing, especially on social media. Buyers are online. Meet them there. Tip number 9, beware of contingent offers. A contingent offer can be a trap if the buyer's home is not under contract yet. You don't want to be stuck in limbo for months. Consider dropping your price to attract non-contingent buyers instead. Tip number 10, offer incentives. If your house is not perfect, offer credits for repairs and consider paying for some of the buyer's closing costs. Be flexible on terms if you want to make the deal happen. Tip number 11, make necessary repairs. Before listing, fix those lingering issues. Things like broken windows, leaky faucets, or a non-functioning oven need to be addressed. A clean home inspection will go a long way in sealing the deal. Tip number 12, hire an experienced tech-savvy realtor. The game has changed. You need a realtor who's up to date with current technology and marketing strategies. If they are not putting in the effort on high-end photos and social media presence, you're missing out on potential buyers. That's a lot to chew on, but I'm here to help guide you through this shifting market. And of course, if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, I'm Rachael Smith with Remax up here in Big Bear, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.